gravity, the law of motion, calculus, optics. He single-handedly laid the foundation of modern physics and engineered the blueprint of classical science. Yet, Isaac Newton was not a cold, logical man of modern science. He was a paranoid, deeply secretive hermit who suffered severe psychological breakdowns, practiced illegal alchemy in the dark, and spent more time studying occult prophecy than physics. This is the tragic psychological history of how extreme isolation and obsession created history's greatest genius. Newton's mind was forced in profound emotional abandonment. Born prematurely on Christmas Day in 1642, his father died before he was born when he was just 3 years old. His mother remarried and left young Isaac behind with his grandmother. The psychological wound was deep. In a private journal, where Newton confessed his sin, he wrote a terrifying childhood impulse, threatening my father and mother, Smith to burn them and the house over them. He learned early that human beings could not be trusted, so he withdrew into the safe, predictable world of numbers. When the Great Plague of London hit in 1665, Newton retreated to his family farm at Holsthorpe in complete solitary confinement for 18 months. His mind exploded in total isolation. He discovered calculus, the nature of light, and the law of universal gravitation. While the world celebrated him as a rational scientist, Newton held a dark secret. He wrote over 1 million words on alchemy, a forbidden, illegal practice aimed at finding the philosopher's stone and transmuting metals. He lived in constant fear that rebel scientists like Robert Hooke would steal his ideas. Newton hid his manuscript in coded ciphers and refused to publish his work for decades. His hyper-vigilance descended into full-blown paranoia and a severe nervous breakdown in 1893, likely exacerbated by heavy mercury poisoning from his secret chemical experiments. He never married, never cultivated deep friendship, and famously died without ever having been in a romantic relationship. He sacrificed every human comfort to unlock the secrets of God's universe. The man who refused to trust humanity handed humanity the keys to the cosmos. Without his mathematics, modern engineering, space travel, and physics would not exist. He conquered the universe, but he could never conquer his own internal isolation. The psychological lesson of Isaac Newton is hunting. Unmatched focus can unlock the impossible, but extreme isolation comes at a terrifying cost to the human soul. Greatness requires sacrifice, but don't lose yourself in the darkness of your obsession. What is the obsession driving your life right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit subscribe for more deep psychological breakdown. And we will see you in the next orbit.